Dear friends and BAUER customers, we welcome you very much to the 2012 BAUER in-house exhibition.
It is since 25 years when we started to invite our friends and customers to Schrobenhausen to experience the world of foundation engineering. This warm and beautiful spring day blends in well with our good mood, and we're looking forward to receive more than 2,000 guests in the next 4 days.
We'd like to invite you to a short tour through our in-house exhibition. With this little video clip, we want to share with you and the foundation world what is shown here today.
Orion, can you please give our friends a tour of the show?
Welcome to the in-house exhibition 2012 of the BAUER Maschinen Group. The BAUER Maschinen GmbH and its subsidiary companies design and manufacture equipment for the piling and foundation industry. As a world market leader, we offer a comprehensive range of equipment and tools which convince by highest performance and quality to our clients. More than 2,000 clients, partners and friends of the company from more than 70 countries worldwide came to Schrobenhausen in Bavaria in May. Here at our headquarters, the companies of the BAUER Maschinen Group showed their latest developments of special foundation equipment. Beside a wide range of BAUER drilling rigs, cranes and cutters, also the subsidiary companies of the BAUER Maschinen Group showed a choice of their portfolios. The companies Klemm, RTG, Prackler, Peilco, Fambo, ABS Trenchless, MAT and Hausherr, but also Eurodrill and Olpersdorfer Guss presented their equipment. Due to the comprehensive range, our long-lasting experience and our worldwide network, the BAUER Maschinen Group has the ability to offer custom-made solutions out of one hand. For the second time since completion in spring 2010, the training and practicing area could be shown in line with the in-house exhibition. At the nationwide unique accommodation for its type, instructions and high-class practical trainings for machine operators from Germany and all over the world regularly take place. At the open-air testing area in Arising, our clients finally had the chance to observe approved mechanical engineering in action, such as the dynamic deep compaction, the Fambo hammer, rotary drilling with a fly drill, rock drilling with a multi-hammer, and much more. For the first time, we can present a small fleet of second-hand equipment. After intensive discussions and many information, our guests again had the chance to relax culinary of the BAUER tradition. Passion for progress, but native anyway. We care for our traditions, and also our clients and partners all over the world appreciate that. In a familiar atmosphere, clients and partners finally become friends and keep in touch for many years. We are looking forward to seeing you at the BAUMA 2013 in Munich.